continues. You know, as Mike has said, as you've heard us say many times, we're not out of the woods. We do have a long way to go. The virus has plenty of room to move, but we have tools in place that really work. You know, we have tools in place that can show that you can safely, you know, break chains of transmission, to reduce transmission in places, which saves lives. And I think it's important that we do celebrate the successes safely, please. You know, make sure that any type of gatherings that happen are done in a very safe way, you know, where you still have your physical distancing and you have all the measures in place. But I do think we need to highlight and support each other in sharing the stories of what has worked. I think many people are really in difficult positions right now. I think many people, individuals, governments, you know, everyone is tired. And seeing resurgence in many places can be very difficult to handle mentally, physically. But we will get through this. And I think showing how you can get through this, showing what works in all of the steps. I think as Dr. Tedros has said, you know, the foundation of what we have, and what I was so impressed with when Bruce and I and the international team were in China in February, was looking at the foundations of this public health infrastructure, the systems in place that are set up to deal with infectious diseases, a system in place for surveillance, a workforce that was ready and trained to do active case finding. And we're seeing this in many, many countries now. It's not just China now. To see this strong workforce for lab, for testing, for getting samples back, getting test results back very quickly, to have infrastructure and a workforce in place, to have isolation take place in not only medical facilities for severe patients or people who are at risk of developing severe disease, but to have mild patients cared for in community centers. To see community workers who are out there helping to do contact tracing, helping to do information and bringing packages to individuals who are in quarantine. You know, there's an entire system that's in place that was activated in China and is being activated in many, many countries now. And I do think, again, to say, let's celebrate the successes where we can, not become complacent because it's not over, but be at the ready. And I think that is a positive thing. So we look forward to more celebrations of success in the sharing of knowledge across the world.
Bruce, would like to add something?
Yeah, thank you, Fidela.